guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this curtain rod that I got recently on Amazon for our baby's nursery. I am not an expert. I am not the best person to install things around the house. And as you can see, this turned out pretty good. This was so easy to install, and I love the way they made it so you can have it a longer rod if you need it, or you can just shorten it out. I don't know if you can see here, but you can attach, you can screw in each piece to make it longer. It doesn't really have an extender inside, so that makes things so much easier, and I feel like it's a lot more stable. And I know this is just a curtain rod, but if you're looking for something that you can easily extend and make longer or shorter, this is the one to go. This was so easy, and it doesn't look bad. It looks just like one whole thing. So yeah, love it, highly recommend it.